Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back. Today we're in a very good mood because, believe it or not, we've actually secured permission to go and view a hotel. Yeah, we've had permission, and the hotel we're outside is a superstar among superstars. There it is. It's that one over there. So we're going to storm the reception, and we're going to have a monkey around and have a damn good nose around, that's for sure. But before we do, Miss Oching Gracivia LaBouffe, and that's her over there, is going to tell you what it's all about.
Hello everybody! How nice to see you again and again. Today is the most especially video for you. Not for you, Mr. Paul, and not for me. Miss Jean, Mr. Matthew, Carter, this video is especially for you. Just smile.
So stick with us as we storm the main reception. It's a great hotel indeed, that's for sure. Let's have a look at the rear end of Gracivia LaBouffe. There she goes. Have a look at that. So this is the main reception. Let's get out and have a quick look at the main swimming pool, because it's a beautiful hotel indeed. Have a look at that. Wow. That is the main pool area, and it's a great tranquil place indeed. If you want to wash all of your troubles away, this is the greatest hotel in downtown Paphos to come to, right bang in the middle of the area where Bar Street is just down there, the plaza is just over there, the mall is that away. It's a great location, that's for sure.
Yeah. It's beautiful, by the way, and it's been renovated and finished not long ago. It's a beautifully luxury done hotel.
Yeah, this hotel has been in the family for over 30 years. They've renovated it, rejuvenated it, built new parts to it. There's the restaurant area, have a look at that. And here's a nice comfy seating area with some works of art all over the walls. And it's a beautiful main office over here. So if you've got a bit of business going on, this is the place that you would come. It's like a lounge area. It's even got a fireplace for the winter. Have a look at that. Gracivia LaBouffe?
Wow, it's so nice. You don't know where you to look in order to satisfy your eye with these luxury views. In one word, I have swallowed my tongue.
Yes, it's that kind of hotel. It really is a beautiful hotel. There's works of art everywhere. Have a look at that ceiling and those chandeliers. I think this hotel really has shot up to the very top of the list of hotels in downtown Paphos. There's art everywhere. Have a look at that. And there's these beautiful seating areas that have been carved out into the walls. And the management take your holiday very seriously indeed. They go to great strides to make you relaxed. Have a look at some of these sitting areas. It really is a beautiful place. Let's follow the rear end of Gracivia LaBouffe as we go into the new extension. So this is the bridge area that transcends this beautiful pool area. Have a look at that. And as you can see, there's an awful lot of people having an awful lot of fun, because it truly is a great hotel indeed. You've got an open air bar just over there. So there's plenty of things for you to get on with. Now, we've been given exclusive permission that we're going to pop downstairs and stick our nose in absolutely every little nook and cranny that we can find. So, on the lower level, you've got the Anthea Spa, the indoor pool, the gym and the gallery. Hold on a minute, what's in there? Let's go and have a look. What's through here? You see, we like to, Nema. So this is the outside restaurant. Look at that. Wow. What a beautiful restaurant. And again, look at that ceiling. Absolute work of art. And a great seating area over there. Gracivia LaBouffe has gone off and found something else. What is it, Gracivia? What is it? It's an oven. Aha. There we are.
Oven. I think they bake pizzas.
They do pizzas and bread and all sorts in there. That's right. Wow.
Very nice. It's beautifully done oven in a very stylish way.
And they've got this open air outside terrace where you can, mosey on down and relax and just wish the night away with that cocktail or that evening meal. And then just over there are a bunch of bars and restaurants, and of course the blue Mediterranean Sea is not far away. What a great area. So if you're staying in the hotel, you can come and eat in here. And of course, if you're in any of the apartments or the houses, locally or even a million miles away, you are more than welcome to come and book a table in here, and the gourmet chefs will cook your lunch or evening meal all the way through right up until early December. Then they'll close down, but they'll reopen again in the early summer season.
And I must say, everywhere you look, it's so nice and tidy that you can you can't say anything about. And I believe these lights, a little
She's
lights.
seen something else, yes. There's little lights up in the ceilings there. Very, very nice place indeed. Right, stick with us. We're going to go nosy on downstairs because there's a spa and there's one of my favourite things down there as well. So stick with us as we wander around. Was that the lift? No, that's not the lift. This is the lift. We'll let these people go up first, and then we will follow them afterwards. We're going to show you the main entrance again because it really, really is a great entrance. This is the brand new entrance, and I want you to fully understand that yes, the old entrance is still there, but now that is the rear entrance. So this is the main entrance. There it is. And that's Gracevia Le Bouffe standing outside it. And there is the name up in big black letters. Anemi Hotel and Suites. A great, great hotel indeed. Now, let's go and get in that lift, Gracevia Le Bouffe, and let's get down.
This is where the taxis or the transfer coming and taking you away.
We're waiting for lifts. That's what we're doing. We're waiting for lifts. So we'll go in the stairs. There we are. We'll keep fit and we'll go in the steps. We're going down to the spa, Gracevia Le Bouffe. So stick with us. Here we go. There was a bit of a queue at the lifts. Here we are. You remember, no one's going to show you Paphos the way we show you Paphos. And there's a gym. Let's get in there, that way.
For Arnold Schwarzenegger.
So stick with us as we stick our nose in every single thing that we can find. There we go. Well, that's a gym, that's for sure. That's got some proper heavy weightlifting machines. That's it, Gracevia.
Oh, this is how you have to do. Oh, I like it. Oh, it was already here.
Here we are, Gracevia Le Bouffe. Hit the start button, I would first. That's the normal thing to do.
I did.
There we are. Too complicated for Gracevia Le Bouffe.
Oh.
Bit faster than that. Come on, let's get going. Come on.
Mr. Paul, I'm having only 2 legs. Don't forget, not 4, not 6, only 2.
Stick with us. Come on. Come on, Gracevia Le Bouffe. We've got more things to stick our nose in because this hotel is a work of art, that's for sure. So stick with us. That's the spa area. There's one of our gumbaros. Hi, you all right? Great, great sofas to relax on. That's where you book yourself in. And then, of course, this is where you go. And there's various treatment rooms which you can pop into. And there's all sorts of rooms down there. You've got the cotton room, the vanilla room. You've got the sand room. There's all sorts of things. All sorts of things. Down here, let's have a look. What's going on down here? There's a lights here somewhere, and there's lights in that one. You see, we're not supposed to be in here. There we are. Have a look at that. So this is where you can come and get that beautiful, beautiful massage, and then you can wash yourself off in here. Wow, look at that. Absolutely spectacular. Very tranquil. It's meant to be tranquil, Gracevia Le Bouffe. That's what it's meant to be. So, there we are. We've stuck our nose in pretty much everywhere. There's all sorts of treatment rooms, quite a few of them. So stick with us. We're going to go that way because there's something, yes, that's supposed to, because I understand there's something down here that I really like. I think it's this way. Oh, yes it is. There we are. Wow. There we go. Now that's my favourite. Look at that. Absolutely spectacular. Wow. And a work of art just outside. Have a look at that. It doesn't get any better than that. Wow.
It's an open air.
Open air, yeah. So you can be in the gym over there and you can be having a look at that beautiful work of art. And then when you're finished, you can pop into the beautiful, tranquil, warm, fully air-conditioned room with a nice indoor swimming pool. Absolutely spectacular. You're going to have a great holiday here, that's for sure, Jean. Whether you've been here before or not, there's a lot of things waiting for you. And look at that sauna. Wow. Oh my God, it's hot.
Is it?
Oh, it's hot.
No, I'm not.
But
My
hey,
heart is not.
I
that
do like a
strong.
sauna actually, and I am a bit fat, so maybe you'll get rid of some of it. See?
My heart is not that strong to stand everything what is there.
So stick with us. We can have a wander around over here and see what we can find. We're in the lower area for instance. Now, a further relaxation room. You see them? They look comfortable. They look more comfortable than our bed.
I don't know. I want to get everywhere.
Is it nice?
Yeah. I'm now relaxing.
Right. She can relax. I'll keep going. Come on, we'll see the out booth.
Come on.
Now I can think there could be a manager chasing us, so we'll go out the fire escape. There we are. Look at that. A further work of art. There's lots of little hidden gems everywhere you go.
Sure, we're not
And
stuck.
those stairs go up to the swimming pool. Go on, Crescivia LaBouffe. I'm waiting for your rear end. There we are. That's the rear end of Crescivia LaBouffe. We're going to come back out at the main swimming pool area. And then I think we'll pop back into the main reception, Crescivia, and then I think we'll see if that lifts there. Great weather today as well. Absolutely fantastic. And we found an even more beautiful area again. Look at that. Wow. Works of art absolutely everywhere. What do you think, Crescivia LaBouffe?
I can't say anything. It's no comment. How nicely done everything. This must be handmade. Yes, and I'm sure all these lightnings are handmade. Even those are handmade.
Right, stick with us. We are now going to go and find one of the rooms and we're going to stick our nose in everywhere. Hold on, Crescivia LaBouffe is having a wander around and doing something. What do you do?
The pillow.
Right, stick with us. Here we go. We've got an outside pool bar, as I was telling you. We're going to go back into the main reception. Here it is again. There he is. Right, Mr. George?
Hello.
And we're now going to wobble up to the 4th floor. Let's have a look.
Are we going now to the room?
We're going to go to the room and we'll have a little sleep.
Oh.
I think we've earned it. What do you think?
Do you think the room must be lovely? And I believe
I hope
that
so.
I'm going to go to sleep. So you have to wake me up then.
I'm going to sleep there. He tells me it's not booked out until 12 o'clock tomorrow. So that means we're going to stay the night.
Really? Who told
Yes.
you so?
Why is it whenever you wait for a lift, it always goes to the floor? Oh, it's coming down now. There we go.
Yeah.
Now, we could have been bad people and held the lift, but that would be very, very rude indeed. So, what's your experience of the hotel?
Well, I can't explain. It's all so nicely done. The stylish hotel, the designers, all the owners, whoever's idea it was in this renovation, every single square meter is done with love and a great, great style of it. Beautiful. I can't. It's no comment.
Here we go. We're in the left. There we go. So we're going to go to the 4th floor.
Yeah.
And there is actually a roof terrace on the 5th floor. But in this building at the moment it's not actually completed, but there is a roof terrace on the other building. So you can go up there, have a sunbathe or have a nice relaxation or a little chat or watch the sunset or the moon, shall we say. Crescivia, beautiful lift.
Yeah, the lift looks for me as like I'm in the space and it's flying to another planet.
Here we go, we're on the 4th floor. So we're now going to go to a room at the very end over there. Let's follow the rear end of Crescivia LaBouffe. And let's see if we can manage to break into this room. Here we are. Not as easy as you think. Hold the handle down. There we go. Here we go. We're in. Yes, we're in. There we are. Look at that for a room. Nice big mirror, that's for sure. Now, a lot of people like a bathroom, so we'll go into the bathroom, and a lot of people like a shower. And that is what I call a big shower. Look at that. Nice big walk-in, almost a wet room. Beautiful. Beautiful, ultra-modern fittings. Very, very nice indeed. And again, all the little trinkets that you would expect from a luxury hotel. And there they are.
And also the slippers. And
Yes, there we
all
are.
this lovely
Slippers, branded towels and branded robes. Absolutely beautiful. And of course on top of that, you've got your morning coffee
Wow.
or your tea and a nice little refrigerator
Should be the
So you
mini
can
bar.
put
Should
your
be
cans of
mini bar.
Coca-Cola and your bottles of vodka in there. Great, great room indeed. Nice big safe box, nice big wardrobe.
Yeah.
And on top of that, look at that. Art. Absolutely beautiful. A nice big, ultra modern, ultra clean room with a nice area to sit and fix your attire, a nice flat screen TV, and above all of that, have a look at this.
Oh my goodness.
You've got a view that is quite simply to die for. Look at that. And then if you look out that way, well, there it is, the blue Mediterranean Sea. And as we scan round, you're going out towards the Lighthouse Beach. We're coming round now towards where the Paphos Mall would be, and that's up into Upper Paphos and the mountains up and beyond. What a great, great hotel indeed. And it's now time for the big, big goodbye.
I would like to tell you, Miss June and Mr. Matthew, I would like really to greet you from this luxury room and say to you that we totally enjoyed our cruise or excursion around this lovely hotel, and I believe, no, I don't believe, I'm sure that when you come you'll enjoy it so much that you will repeat and repeat your lovely stays into this nice hotel. I would like to tell you again and again, thank you very much for watching. We are loving it to bits. Please don't forget to come and see another of our Magnuses. Many kisses. We're loving you.
All that's left for me to say is thanks for watching. And of course, if you do like what you see, please hit the like, click subscribe, and come back for a little bit more of our management. We would truly like to thank the management. We take our hats off to you, and we'd like to thank the manager, Mr. George, for allowing us to make this production, and we appreciate the time and the effort that you have given to us. We thank you, and we thank you.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
There we are. Thanks for watching.